Let's draw a jet.
D-R-A-W with M-R-M-I-K-E.
We're going to start right about here and do a line that turns into a curve like this, and then a curve up, and then it turns back into a line. So remember, it goes line, curve, curve up, curve over, and then line. Then from here, we'll have it do another curve up, and then turn into a line. And now we'll have a line go up, and over, and then a short line down. We're going to skip a space, and then we'll add a line down. Now we're going to add a curve here, and then two lines, 1, 2, and then we'll add a curve. Next, we're going to draw an oval. The oval will go right here. And then we'll add a curve right here. Next, we're going to add a line, and then another line, and then another line, and then another line. And now we'll add in, on this side, another line, another line, and the last line. Well, it's not the last line, but it's the last line for that. Okay, next, we're going to add in, right about here, a curve, and then a line with a little half circle right here. Next, we're going to add a line that goes from here to here, and then it goes up for an upside down U, like that. And then we're going to have a line that goes from here over to here. Now we're going to draw this wing on this side. So we'll imagine the line continues from here. We can now draw it all the way out here. And then we're going to have a curve come up and then go down. And then we'll have another line go from here to here. And we'll close this shape with a curve. And then underneath, here, underneath this, right here, we're going to draw a curve that's going to come down. Now the last thing we need to add is the window. So we'll add a curve, and then another curve that follows that, and a line. Now, if you have any gaps that you want to close up, all you have to do is just continue your line to close the gap. This is a jet. What color will you make your jet? Will you add any details to the background or stickers on it? Use your imagination and see what else you can add to your drawing. Thanks for drawing with me. I'll see you next time. Bye.